Hello everyone, my name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me again in this Kikuyu channel. Thank you so much for being part of this channel, and thank you again for the new subscribers and even for the loyal subscribers who have been here since the beginning. Thank you and thank you again. Once again, I'm back from long time not being posting videos, but I'm back. I'm safe and sound, as you can see me. So we're going to continue with our normal Kikuyu learning. Today I have something else or something new prepared for you people. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and it's my wish that what I am putting out there is of great help to you, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what we're going to learn today are some few words that we use on our day-to-day activities, especially for our cleaning, taking care of ourselves, and that kind of thing. Now, the first word we're going to learn is the word toothbrush. How do I call a toothbrush in Kikuyu? A toothbrush is called mokinye. Mokinye. To be very specific, you can say mokinye wa magego. Mokinye wa magego. Magego are teeth. Mokinye brush. So mokinye wa magego. Mokinye wa magego. That's how we call a toothbrush. Now, the other thing we're going to learn is how do we say brush your teeth. How do I say that in Kikuyu? Kinya magego. Kinya magego. Kinya magego. Kinya magego. Brush your teeth. Or you can say kinya magego maku. Kinya magego maku. Kinya magego maku. Brush your teeth. That's another version of saying it in Kikuyu. Kinya magego maku. Kinya is brush. Magego, teeth. Maku are yours, your teeth, possession, or referring to someone. Kinya magego maku. Kinya magego maku. Magego is the plural form of tooth, or it's the plural form of teeth. So if you want to refer to one teeth, you can say igego. Igego. Igego is one teeth. Magego, many or two or more than one. Magego, igego, magego. Now, the other thing we are going to learn is applying your oil, like creaming yourself or applying oil on your body. How do we call oil? Maguta oil or body lotion or cream. Maguta. Or you can be very specific and say maguta mamwere, body lotion. Maguta mamwere, body lotion. Now, you can even say face cream, or you can say face cream. Maguta modio. Maguta modio. Maguta, we said, is oil or cream or anything you put on your face. Maguta. Now, face cream is maguta modio. Maguta modio. Maguta, we said, is the cream. Modio is like saying for the face. Odio is the face. So, maguta modio. Maguta modio. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say comb your hair. Comb your hair. Shanora jwere. Shanora jwere. Comb your hair. Shanora jwere. Jwere is hair. Jwere is hair. Shanora is comb. Comb. Shanora jwere. Comb your hair. Shanora jwere. Comb your hair. Jwere, we said, is the hair. Combing is shanora. Shanora jwere. Shanora jwere. Now, I'll go one step back, and this is to the body cream or creams for the face and so on and so forth. I just wanted to say, let's say you have, okay, there are many types of creams. Like there is body cream, there is face cream, there is so hand cream and all that kind of thing. So we don't have specific creams for face, body, and so on. We just call that in general maguta, unless you want to specify and say for the face, for the hands, for the body. That's when you refer to that part of the body. Like I said before, maguta modio, face cream. Maguta mamwere, body cream. Maguta mamwere. Maguta is the cream, the body lotion, or whatever you put on your skin. Mamwere is for the body. Maguta mamwere. Maguta mamwere. Now, you can even say hand cream, which is called maguta ma moko. Maguta ma moko. Moko are the hands. Moko are the hands. You can even say maguta madwara. Maguta madwara. Finger creams or finger cream or whatever you put on your fingers. Maguta madwara. Now, this reminds me of something else that we put on our nails. On our nails, and that is nail polish. We say that in Kikuyu, ragi wadwara. Ragi wadwara. Ragi is the nail polish. Wadwara is like referring to the nail polish. The nail polish is used on our nails. So we say ragi wadwara. Generally, dwara means fingers. But since we don't have another word for that, we put that as in to mean nail polish. Ragi wadwara, nail polish. Ragi wadwara. Let's say you want to apply some pedicure on your nails, on your toes, and you want to refer that also to pedicure. Ragi wa maguru. Ragi wa maguru. Maguru are the legs. So ragi, we said, is the polish or the paint or whatever you put on your nails. That's why we say ragi wa maguru. Ragi wa maguru. Ragi wa maguru. Now, so far so good. We have learned about the face, about the nails, and many other things. Now the other thing is, for example, you want to say apply cream on your skin. Apply cream on your skin. This is how we say it. We hake maguta. We hake maguta. Apply cream on your skin. We hake is applying. Maguta is the cream. We hake maguta. Apply cream. Now, for example, you want to say go and wash yourself or go and shower. Thie withabe. Thie withabe. Go and shower. Go and wash yourself. Thie withabe. Withabe is to wash myself, to shower myself, or to clean myself. With thie withabe. Go and wash yourself. Thie is go. Withabe is to wash, to clean, or to shower. Thie withabe. Let's say, for example, you want to ask someone, did you take a shower today? Did you take a shower today? Ne withabire umuthi. Ne withabire umuthi. Ne withabire umuthi. Did you wash yourself today? Did you take a shower today? Ne withabire umuthi. Umuthi is today. Ne withabire is the act of asking someone if he or she did take a shower or washed himself. Now, the other thing that comes along with this is dry yourself, or when you wash yourself, automatically you will also dry yourself. So you say so you tell someone ne withabire umuthi, and that someone will say ne dithabire. Yes, I washed myself, or I took a shower, or I cleaned myself. Okay, now the other thing that comes along is, did you dry yourself? Neomire. Neomire. Or you can say wefaguda. 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 Or kweyomithia. To dry yourself is kweyomithia. Literally, the right word is kweyomithia, or to dry yourself is kweyomithia. Kweyomithia. Now, the other thing that comes along is automatically a towel, because you need a towel to dry yourself. So you say a towel is called tauro. In Kikuyu, a towel is called tauro. Tauro. Gera tauro. Go pick a towel. Gera tauro. Or you can say, bring me the towel. Bring me the towel. Dehera tauro. Dehera tauro. Bring me the towel. Tauro is the towel. Dehera is bring me. Yeah, that's how we say it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I will end this video right here. Otherwise, it's gonna be really, really long, and that's not what I want. I want you people to go back home and to practice these words. Remember, Kikuyu is such an amazing language. Kikuyu is um, a very beautiful language that most people speak in Kenya, and there's nothing there's nothing as good as someone who can articulate himself or herself in Kikuyu. I'm not saying you have to be perfect. I'm not saying you have to learn everything, but have two, three, or four things you can say or you can even understand. So let's keep subscribing to this channel, sharing it down there, and until next time, I want to end this beautiful video right here. Thanks again for joining me. Thanks for subscribing, for liking, and even for the comments that have been coming. I so much appreciate. It is my wish that I'm going to be here more often, and I'm going to work on improving these videos and as well as the channel. With those few words, I'm going to end this right away. Wherever you are, have a nice day, have a nice evening, have a good night. Till next time, goodbye.